Yo, y'all know who this is. Tony from Stick With Us Delivery Service. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and we're going to get this YouTube video popping. Now, today I want to tell y'all on how to make double on a load. So let's say if you're going, I'm in Miami, Florida, right? Let's say if I got to go to New York. So if I'm going to New York to, from Miami, Florida to New York, what I'm going to do is, I'm gonna try to find a load that's on they always say pieces. That's what we say in the cargo van business, or skids. So I want to find something with one skid. That's one pallet for y'all that don't know. The reason I'm looking for something for one pallet because number one, you want to make sure you got a van that can hold 3 to 4 pallets. If your van can hold 3 to 4 pallets, you can easily throw another pallet or two on your van. That way you make double the money. So I'm gonna, if my load ain't due, if it's not, I don't have to pick up today and I can pick up tomorrow, I'm most definitely looking for that second load, which is considered like a partial load. Now, not all brokers and dispatchers will allow you to do this, but the ones you have built a great relationship and a great rapport with, I would suggest to do it because you're gonna make so much more money by having by having that partial load. That partial load, you just make so much more money, man. Like, even like a lot of my mentees, one of my mentees had got a load. He had, like I said, one pallet, he was getting paid $800. We found him a second load paying $750 that was almost the same distance. So he was able to make $1,550 going in one direction. And gas-wise, he probably was only going to spend about $200, maybe $300 in gas. So, now he turned the $800 load where he was going to profit $600 into a load now to where he's going to profit about $1,300 off of that load. So that's the beauty of knowing how to do partial loads, knowing how to add extra loads onto your loads. Another trick to this game that I don't know if many people use is always pay attention to what time you pick up your load, what time you drop your load off. The reason you want to pay attention to that because if you're working with multiple brokers or multiple shippers or dispatch companies, freight forwarding companies, whichever companies that you already working with, let's say you got to drop off that's 8 o'clock in the morning. Have your broker, your dispatch start looking for other loads for when you drop that load off. Look for loads that got like a 11 a.m. pickup or a 1 p.m. or 4 p.m. pickup because you already know the load that you have right now, you're going to be dropping that load off in the morning. So even if that load is delayed on getting dropped off, you still give yourself enough time in case that broker or dispatcher book you another load, you have enough time to go pick up that other load. You don't want to have a situation where they book you a load and it's the same time as the load you already dropping off. Because then you're going to be late and then they're going to charge you for being late. So you don't want that to happen. So you really got to be very strategic when you're doing this business. That's why you have to take the time to build the relationships with these companies. I see a lot of people, not a lot of people, but I do see some people make some mistakes when starting in this business. Some of the mistakes they make, like I have a whole new way of doing this business. I used to tell people sign up with 2 and 3 companies. No, now sign up with 5 or 6 companies. Get you about 5 or 6 dispatch companies, carrier companies when you first get started. Before you leave your house, make sure you have all your tools. At this point, these are tools you need to succeed in this business. So make sure you have all the tools you need to succeed in this business, because if you don't, you're going to get stuck in situations where you can be in certain areas throughout the United States and you're not able to get out of those areas. You might be there 3 days. I done heard people told me they're going to stay the place 5 and 6 days, which, I don't know what will make a person stay somewhere that long. Like, after 24 hours, if they haven't found you a load, move over to another area. Like if you're in Utah, they haven't found you a load, then go to Nevada, go to Arizona. You know what I'm saying? Go to surrounding areas or bigger cities that's not that far from you. So what if you got to drive 100 miles or 200 miles to get there? That's only, at the most, that's one fill up. That's $60 to $70 in gas. I'd rather spend $60 or $70 in the gas to get another load that's paying me $500 or more than to be wasting all these days. Because every day you waste, you pretty much losing $500. So there's no way in the world I'm going to sit around and wait for days and not get loads. I'm just not doing that, and I don't advise you all to do that as well. If you with a company and they say, hey, why did you leave after 2 or 3 days? Tell them Stick With Us told you to leave. Tell them to call me, and I'll get them straight for y'all. Tell them to call me, man, for real, because there's no need to be like, waiting around like that. It just doesn't make sense. So when you get in this business, make sure you all have all the proper tools that you need to succeed. Make sure when you leave your house, please pay attention to this. Make sure you got your TWIC card. Make sure you got your ID badge with you. Make sure you have your tie-down scraps, your dollies, your moving blankets. Make sure you have your PPE. Make sure you have cones, fire extinguisher. Make sure it's up to date in case you get pulled over by DOT. Just make sure you legit. You want to have even like these, you want to get you one of these. Keep all your paperwork and your pens inside of there. You know what I'm saying? Every load you get, all those BOLs, keep a record of those, because I actually got the broker information on there if y'all didn't know that. So that's a major gem I just gave y'all. So you just want to make sure that you all, just stay on point, man, and do this the right way, because it truly is a lot of money in this. This business saved my life. This business changed my life, and it has changed so many other people's lives, man. Like y'all already know, man, I mentor almost at 1,200 people right now. And just a few months ago, I was at 1,000 people. So that lets you know how fast of a pace I'm able to help people throughout the United States and a little bit of people out of Canada. I got people from Canada trying to start businesses too. So we really like putting the work in, man, and getting people up and running, man. And, it's not hard. You just have to understand that you're building a business from the ground. If you come into this with a business mindset and going to put the work in, then you're going to be just fine. You may have to do some cold calling. I do cold calling right now to this day. I've been in the business about to be going on 7 years. So if I'm still doing cold calling and y'all ain't doing it, then something is not right. So y'all need to do your part just as well. Put the work in, you will reap the reward. Long as you do that, the number one, any of my mentees, any other influencers I know, anybody that I know that has cargo van, box trucks, medical carrier businesses, we all talk to each other and we all ask each other certain things. And one of the things we always ask each other, we say, what is something that be like some people downfall or prevent some people from making money? And they all say the same thing. A lot of people are lazy. A lot of people don't want to put the work in. A lot of people are so quick to give up. It's like, how you invested all these thousands of dollars and you don't want to see it through? Ain't no way in the world. I mean, unless y'all just got money to throw, me personally, I'm not doing it. So, like I said, man, we about to start a new year. Those of you who ready to get your business off the ground, hey, tap in, because I got you. And I'm going to leave a huge discount inside where it says more in the description. I'm going to give y'all $1,000 discount off my mentorship program. For those of you who if you already in the business and you need help and you ain't been able to get no loads, then you need to be somebody who's signing up for my program right now and just joining my team. You need to be on the winning team. I don't know no other way to tell you, man. So look, use the coupon code 1K off. I'm gonna give you $1,000 off if you're watching this video. It'll be in the description below. This sale will only be a limited time. Damn, my bad. God, I can't even get it out. What the hell? Anyways, I'm also going to put my email in the description as well. So I have my email in the description. Email me if y'all need more details about my mentorship program, or you just want to know what it takes to get up and run in the business. I explain most of that in this video, so hit the rewind button. Also rewatch the video, and I just appreciate all the love and support. 2025, we about to get to 100,000 subscribers on YouTube, so make sure you tell a friend, family member, cousin, auntie, brother, sister, whoever. Let them know, hey, Tony from Stick With Us put me on. He got me up and running the business. I've been very successful. I always tell y'all, stick with us. We truly got you. You heard?